Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a song here from Jorja Smith. It's called The Way I Love You. Alright, so a little bit tricky song here, and when you listen to it, he plays the guitar there in different ways. I'm gonna give you one kind of pattern to go through this song, the chords, of course, and then one style to play it. So let's go into this one, and we're gonna work with bar chords here only. So no need for any capo. Let's go through the chords. We have the B minor 7 first. Alright, so you hold here a bar on the second fret, you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. That's the B minor 7. Next is the F sharp 7, and what you do here is to move up everything one string. So that means the bar covers now all strings here on the second fret, and then you need to add 4th on A and 3rd on G. Okay, that's the F sharp 7. Then we have the G major 7. Okay, so now you place the bar here, index finger on the 3rd fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 5th on A, 4th on D, and 4th on G. Okay, and then finally we have a chord that I would call just the A sharp, just to keep it simple, and you keep that bar there on the 3rd fret, same from the G major, so that's great, you don't have to move that. And then you have your fingers like this, okay? So your little pinky goes up there on the 6th fret E string. And then, if you can add the 5th fret A. This string is not necessary all the time. We could skip that later on. I'm going to show you why and how. But if you can, it belongs to the chord, so 5th A, and then with the mid finger on the 4th D. A little tricky there, but I'm going to show you how to handle it. And there you have the chord progression through the entire song. So we're going to start from the beginning, and the style is just to play one down, like rolling one down from the string, from the bass string. So that means A, D, G, and B string. We pause on the B minor, then you go to the F sharp and do the same there. Okay, and you can use there the bass string, of course, from the E string there. And then you can, if you want, just skip that A string and just go D, G, and B. Okay, and then you go over to the G major. And again, you can skip that A string and just go with the bass, which is the E, and then continue with D, G, and B. Okay, that makes the grip easier, because if you're not playing the A string, you can skip that little pinky, just hold like this, okay? And when you play that G, you're gonna play it 2 times, okay? And then you go into that A sharp, and what is important here is to get the bass, so you have to reach out to this 6th fret E string, and keep the bar there, but I would definitely skip this A string for this specific chord, because it goes fast, a little bit stretchy, and everything is a little bit not a happy scenario. So you will do it as easy as possible for you. So skip that A and just reach out for a pinky and keep that mid finger on the 4th fret D string from the G major. Okay, you have it there already, this finger. Keep that there. Release the other fingers and reach out for a little pinky on the 6th fret E string, and you have that chord. Roll down, so E string, D, G, and B. That is what I would do for one round, and there you have it, okay? So slowly, it goes like this. Sorry for bad sound there, but that is actually how you handle it in a very simple way. Jorja Smith's song called The Way I Love You. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it guys. Until next time, play tuned.